So the next set of questions that we are going to do, for that we are going to refer to Cavalier Pacius PDF. So the next section is regional states, Punjab and Mysore. So the first question is, where did Tipu Sultan set up his capital? So where was Tipu Sultan's capital set up? So the answer would be Srirangapatnam. Srirangapatnam, this is in Karnataka. And with this also we should know that Tipu Sultan in the 4th Anglo-Mysore War, which was held in 1799, he was defeated in the battle and he was subsequently he died as a result of the war. So Tipu Sultan capital was at Srirangapatnam. Then the next question is, the Treaty of Mangalore was signed between Tipu Sultan and the British East India Company in which year? So Treaty of Mangalore, this was actually the result of the Second Anglo-Mysore War, which was from 1780 to 84, and therefore it was signed in the year 1784. Third is, Englishmen made the Treaty of Srirangapatnam with none other than Tipu Sultan. Fourth question is, Ranjit Singh got the famous Kohinoor diamond. So Ranjit Singh actually got the famous Kohinoor diamond from which ruler? So Ranjit Singh actually got the famous Kohinoor diamond from Shah Shuja, and Shah Shuja, he was the ruler of Afghanistan. Now this Kohinoor diamond, this was actually mined I think during the Kakatiya dynasty. So this you must remember that this Kohinoor diamond was actually mined during the Kakatiya dynasty. So it was at the behest of the Kakatiya ruler. Now the next question is, when was the Punjab Land Alienation Act passed? So the Punjab Land Alienation Act, this was passed in the year 1900. The Punjab Land Alienation Act was passed in the year 1900. Why? Because they wanted to prevent the transfer of land from the agriculturist to the non-agriculturalist, basically the money lenders. The sixth question and the last question of today is Amba Bai, a women freedom fighter. She belonged to which of the following states of India? So she belonged to Karnataka.